carrot rice is now done. Extreme God Chef, Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon?
2, 1. Hey guys, and welcome back to Harshu the Little Chef. Today we are making another experiment where we will be needing 2 water bottles, empty water bottles, 2 balloons, a spoon to put the baking soda in, and vinegar. And we will also need baking soda, which is the main ingredient. First off, we will be adding baking soda into the balloons. I put 2 teaspoons of baking soda inside the balloons. Now we will add the vinegar into the plastic bottles. I am pouring half a cup of vinegar in both bottles. Next, we will be fixing the balloon to the bottle cap. Now, we will be doing the last step, which is pouring the baking soda into the vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Another blue balloon. Oh, it just foamed inside. Hey guys, welcome back to Harshu the Little Chef. For today, I'm going to show you how to make yummy carrot rice. The ingredients needed for this recipe are 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 4 cardamoms, and 4 cloves, 4 to 5 chopped green chilies, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, salt as per your taste, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup grated carrots, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, a quarter teaspoon of garam masala, 1 cup of cooked rice, half cup of coriander. On the stove and put in oil. Now we are supposed to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Here goes 1. Now it's time for the second one. Here's the second. There we go. Now it's time to put the bay leaves, cloves, and cardamoms. Mix it. The next ingredient we are going to be adding is cashew nuts. Right here, so we added the cashew nuts. Mix it up properly. Now we should add the green chilies. Mix it around too. Now the onions. Never mind, don't put the onions. Keep on mixing. The next ingredient that we should add are onions. Add the onions now. Now we should add the salt in. Mix well. We should also add the ginger garlic paste. The next ingredient we will be putting into the mixture for the carrot rice is the main ingredient, which is going to be the carrots. Mix it all up. Carrots are very healthy because they can help you with eyesight and they can give you nutrients. These carrots look very colorful, but at the moment we should saute them for 4 to 5 minutes until the raw smell of the carrots are gone. This is the last ingredient we will be using. No, it's not the last ingredient we'll be using, but this is a forgotten ingredient. The garam masala. Mix up. The last main ingredient we will be using is the rice. Last ingredient for the carrot rice is the lemon juice. Now we can add the lemon juice. Mix it properly. Now we should put the coriander leaves. Now it's time to serve the carrot rice. The carrot rice is now done. Now we are going to taste the food with my friend Adi, which we have made a video with before. Hello. Hi. Now we are going to taste the carrot rice. It's really good, Harshu. Good job.
Thank you, Ami.
You're welcome. Harshu, the little chef. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. And I will put the video that Adi was in before, which would be the casserole video. Please do watch it.